she'd take me to lunch, or she'd go make, you know, chicken noodle soup or whatever it was. But for that day, my mom would drop everything else that she was doing, and I was the #1 focus in her life. And so I
would all put our bandanas over our hair, and we'd go for hours just having fun, just riding in the desert, or planting watermelons together. Or
the family life with my folks was our outdoor camping trips. We used to go up to the White Mountains, up to Sheep's Crossing.
And then Daddy would come right behind me, and I said, Daddy, I already did that, and didn't know till years later he was fixing what I had done. And so
Mom came out and basically went and grabbed a shovel and chopped its head off right there in front of us, and then took the snake out and hung it out on a fence or a tree.
Yeah, school's totally important. She got us there, everything, but you know, if you needed to take a day and go shopping instead of go to school, that was okay too. So those were probably my favorite days, the days we'd go shopping. So.